I'm here with Ben and Charlotte, proud owners of Rosemary Deer Lodge, and you've both got all your hair, but I can see it's been a massive renovation project. How's it been?
It's been a lot. We've achieved a lot within the last year alone, renovating a whole part of a house from top to bottom, rewiring everything till now.
I normally see kitchens. Don't get a chance to see a laundry room with top-end fittings, and it looks glorious. Now, we can't describe this laundry area without discussing this lovely worktop. What is it?
The finish is Carrara.
Okay.
Carrara quartz.
We wanted something that was like quite simple, but had a little bit of a vein to it, but not too kind of, that like marble vein.
We didn't want it to be too pronounced, did we?
Yeah, we wanted it to be quite subtle, and it's definitely got that effect.
It is subtle, but that little bit of colour, it just brings some depth to it, doesn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
It's quite a chunky finish as well, so it's a substantial worktop, not just a thin.
Yeah.
So this is 30 mil, isn't it?
It's 30 mil,
Yeah. So why did you choose quartz? Was granite in the offing? Was any other thing, like composites in the offing?
Yeah, we had a consultation with Mayfair and went through all of the options, and for the use of this room and for what the finish we were looking for, they recommended that we went with this, and we kind of got some samples in as well and played around with those, and this was just kind of the effect and the depth and overall kind of the use of the room, the wear and tear that it'll see was the best option.
There's a few things here that make you think, wow, the Belfast sink or Butler sink, the upstand, the fact that you've used a quality product in the first place, and these lovely cupboards. I mean, it looks pretty unique actually. So how did you find dealing with Mayfair then? You said you had someone out?
Yeah, a couple of guys came out, did all the measurements, set up a laser measuring device.
Yeah, something else, isn't it?
In and out, super fast.
Super quick, really lovely to deal with, really nice guys to have around the house as well.
When you're dealing with a proper product like this, I personally get a bit nervous when I'm handing in my measurements.
Yeah, I wouldn't have wanted to have.
I've got so to have someone else come to your house and say, don't worry, we'll sort it all out. It's a huge relief, isn't it?
Oh, massively. I felt in safe hands, especially when they get the laser out, and it was really interesting to see as well.
And then we linked them up with the guys who made all the cabinetry as well. So.
Oh, good. That's a really, really good idea. It's a good tip to give to other people as well. So it's been smooth.
Really smooth, really easy, yeah.
What would you recommend someone do who's looking at doing a laundry room or kitchen or just a room with a worktop like this? What would you recommend?
Definitely to go with a high quality product and the service that you get with that. The mistakes that could have been made, you're in safe hands and dealing with someone who knows exactly what they're doing, then nothing can go wrong. And this was obviously our laundry room, which is such a luxury. But if this was a kitchen that you needed to use every day, you want to make sure that it's going to be a really smooth process.
But that's half the joy of dealing with someone like Mayfair, is it? The turnaround can be as quick as you like, can't it? I mean, What was the time between measuring and fitting?
Oh, so quick. Yeah, really quick. And Mayfair totally worked around us. It was us causing delays. They were ready to help, ready to turn up whenever we needed them to turn up.
Well, it's good to hear. Thank you so much. It's a credit to you. I mean, you've clearly both got an eye for interiors. Looking out there, is that some more of this house?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go before you give me a job. Thank you so much. Lovely to meet you both.
Thanks.
And best of luck with the rest of the renovation.
Thanks very much.
Bye-bye.